This is a question from our own ANA prep content. First, pause the video and try it out on your own. Now, in a previous webinar, we have discussed how to use sets to solve CR questions. It is especially useful in inference kind of questions. So let's look at this one using sets. Dr. Annabelle, last month none of my patients had tested positive for COVID. So let's make a Venn diagram here. So these are the people who had, let's say, not tested positive for COVID, and these are the people who had tested positive for COVID. Dr. Annabelle says that none of her patients had tested positive, so then her circle is over here. This is a circle of all Dr. Annabelle's patients. We can say this is Dr. A's circle. The 10 severely sick COVID cases lying over here, diagnosed in the hospital last month, were all Dr. Higgs patients. So then, this is the circle of severely ill patients, and they were 10 in number, and all of them belong to Dr. Higgs. So then that means that this is a subset of all the patients of Dr. Higgs. Of course, there could have been some other patients of Dr. Higgs as well. So we cannot say that this circle itself is all the patients of Dr. Higgs, right? Dr. Higgs' circle could have been bigger than that. And they were all middle-aged males. Now, these severely ill people, they were all also middle-aged males. So then there is here another intersection. This severely ill circle lies inside the circle of middle-aged males circle. Now, of the 6 people who were diagnosed with COVID on the 12th of last month, none were middle-aged males. So then 6 people were diagnosed with COVID on the 12th, and they did not intersect with the middle-aged male circle. That means they either were lying over here or over here, etc. We don't know where. We'll show it with an asterisk to say that we don't know the exact position of these people, but they were diagnosed on they were 6 people, and they were diagnosed on the 12th of last month. That is what we know. And they had no intersection with the middle-aged people. All right. Now, if Dr. Annabelle's statements are true, which of the following is also true? Now, we have to look for the truthfulness of these statements. All the middle-aged males diagnosed with COVID last month were severely ill. This is saying that all the middle-aged males. That is not necessarily true. We know that everyone who was severely ill was a middle-aged male, but that does not mean that there could certainly be people over here, etc., right? People who are middle-aged males, but they were not severely ill. So this is not necessarily true. B. None of the 6 people who were diagnosed with COVID on the 12th of last month were Dr. Higgs patients. Again, this is not necessary. As we discussed that this circle could have an intersection with Dr. Higgs, or it may not have an intersection. All we know is that this circle does not have an intersection with the middle-aged male circle. That is all. But it could certainly have an intersection with Dr. Higgs circle. So then this is also not necessarily true. Look at C. None of Dr. Higgs patients were diagnosed with COVID on the 12th of last month. Again, as we said, this is not necessary. Some of Dr. Higgs patients could have been diagnosed with COVID on the 12th of last month. There could have been an intersection of Dr. Higgs and the people who were diagnosed with COVID on the 12th. So this is also not necessarily true. None of the people who were diagnosed on the 12th of last month were severely ill. Now this is true. We know that this circle represents the number of people who were diagnosed on the 12th of last month. Can they have an intersection with this circle of severely ill people? Is it possible? This circle lies inside the middle-aged male circle, and we know that this circle has no intersection with this middle-aged male circle. That means obviously this circle can have no intersection with this circle. So this is certainly true that none of the people who were diagnosed on the 12th of last month were severely ill. Correct. And of course, then this is our answer. Let's look at E also. All Dr. Higgs COVID patients last month were severely ill. Again, as we said, that is not necessary. We know that all severely ill patients belong to Dr. Higgs. So then they are a subset of Dr. Higgs patients, but there could be other patients that Dr. Higgs has as well, who do not lie in this circle, right? So then this is also not necessarily true. So our answer is D over here.